Check out this super easy to make homemade soap. What is up, Deep Roots homesteaders? Today we're cheating and making super easy bar soap. We're going to use these plastic molds, and you can buy this shea butter soap block from Hobby Lobby or any of your normal craft stores, and we can cut it up and microwave it and melt it, but we like to add our own little extra ingredients. First, we're going to add some of this lemon essential oils, give it a little flavor, a little smell, some vitamin E, and some coconut oil, which is good for your skin. We'll show you how we do it. Check it out.
And I don't know if you guys can see the scale or not. It's about a 1 pound block. That's what it looks like when you cut it off. I'm going to cut this in smaller chunks, and then again we're going to microwave it in our little dish right here in 20-second intervals until it's all melted. Alright, we're back, and as you can see I cut these up in little small chunks. We are going to microwave it again on 20-second intervals until it's melted down. And again, I'll leave the instructions, the recipe, whatever you want to call it, down below in the link. And then from there you'll be able to do your own, do it on your side. Alright, so our soap is done melting. As you can see, I use a little chopstick to stir it with. That's how I roll. And then we're now going to put our fragrance in there. And it calls for a 1/4 ounce, which I have a 1/2 ounce bottle, so we'll pour half that in there. And then on the coconut oil, I'm going to put about 10 milliliters of this, and then probably 5 milliliters of this, and you can adjust those to your likings. Some people may not want any fragrance at all, but that's what we got. So I'm going to mix it up, and we'll start pouring it into our fancy dancy molds here. So we'll see you there. Alright, we're going to start pouring our molds, see how that goes. A little gummy. Go to our next one. We already got our stuff in there, stirred pretty good. We want to mix for a while just to make sure that fragrance gets mixed in it evenly. Alright, we're going to keep going with our molds. See if I can do it without making a total mess. Alright, so we'll finish filling these up. We'll come back when they're hard and we'll show you what they look like. Alright, so we're back, and if you guys don't have one of those fancy molds, you can just actually get some kind of dish of some sort and put some wax paper in there. And then what we'll do is, if I can get my soap over here out the way, you just pour it in here, let it rock up. When it does, you just cut your own little squares. May not be perfect, but they still look pretty awesome. So that's what we got today. If you guys are new here, consider subscribing. If you like this video, smash that like button. Thanks again for watching. Alright, so this is what we ended up with. Look at this pretty cool little bar soap. Perfect for gift giving. As you can see, it turned out awesome. And then as well, we poured the rest of our soap into that Pyrex with the wax paper, and this is what we ended up with. Cut those in little bars. Just as cool as well. Just don't have the fancy mold. But just want to show you guys that. Perfect little gift that we use a lot, and it's pretty easy. Thanks for watching.